What is ethylidene group? Ethane. This is the structure of ethane, CH3, CH3. Now when two hydrogens from the same carbon are removed from ethane, then the group you get is CH3CH, CH3CH, and this CH3CH group is known as ethylidene group. And the two valencies of carbon, if the bond is formed with chlorine atoms, then it is known as ethylidene chloride. Now here in this table, common and IUPAC names of some halides are given. Now this compound here, the common name is secondary butyl chloride and IUPAC name is 2-chlorobutane. Why secondary butyl chloride? Because here the chlorine atom is bonded to a secondary carbon atom. So this is known as secondary butyl chloride. On writing the structure, CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, CH3. Here this carbon to which chlorine atom is bonded is a secondary carbon because it is bonded to two other carbons. So this is known as secondary butyl chloride, and the longest carbon-carbon chain consists of 4 carbon atoms. Now numbering the chain 1, 2, 3, 4, IUPAC name will be 2-chlorobutane. Next is this one, neopentyl bromide. The structure is CCH3, CH3, CH3, CH2, Br. This is known as neopentyl bromide. This is the common name. Bromine is bonded to a carbon, which in turn is bonded to a quaternary carbon. This carbon is quaternary carbon because it is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. It is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. So this group, which in total consists of 5 carbon atoms, and one of the carbons is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms, this group is known as neopentyl group. It can also be written as CH3 whole thrice CCH2. So this is the neopentyl group. And writing the IUPAC name, numbering the chain 1, 2, 3. So on the second carbon 2 methyl groups, on the first carbon bromine. So 1 bromo 2 dimethyl propane. The longest carbon-carbon chain contains 3 carbon atoms. So propane. Third is tertiary butyl bromide. Here the bromine atom is bonded to a tertiary carbon atom. So tertiary butyl bromide. And the IUPAC name will be, the structure can be written as CH3, 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 Br. Now the longest carbon-carbon chain is 3 carbon chain, and the second carbon, if you number the carbons 1, 2, 3, the second carbon has both the methyl groups and the bromine atom. So 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. Next is vinyl chloride, CH2 double bond CH. This is the vinyl group. Chlorine is bonded to a sp2 hybridized carbon, which is not a part of aromatic ring. So this is the vinyl group. So vinyl chloride is the common name. The IUPAC name will be chloroethene. If you see the structure of ethene, this is the structure of ethene. And if one of the hydrogens of ethene is substituted by chlorine, then this becomes CH2 double bond CHCl. So this is chloroethene. Next is allyl bromide. Here bromine is bonded to a sp3 hybrid carbon, which is adjacent to a double bond, which is adjacent to a carbon which has a double bond with the other carbon. So this is allyl group and the common name is allyl bromide. The structure can be written as CH2 double bond CH CH2 Br. So this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon which is adjacent to a doubly bonded carbon. This group is known as allyl group, and bromine is bonded to this allylic carbon. It is known as allyl bromide. And for IUPAC nomenclature, the doubly bonded carbons are numbered first. So 1, 2, 3. This becomes 3-bromopropene. Next is orthochlorotoluene, which has the IUPAC name 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene or 2-chlorotoluene. Now common name orthochlorotoluene because the parent compound is the toluene and ortho position to the CH3 group is chlorine atom, so orthochlorotoluene. Now for IUPAC nomenclature, it can be named as 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene. Here the parent name is benzene. So if the parent name is benzene, then methyl group and chlorine both are treated as substituent, and numbering is done so that the one which comes first in the alphabetical order gets the lowest number, like 1, 2. So in alphabetical order, chlorine comes first and then methyl. Both chlorine and methyl are treated as substituents. So it is numbered in such a way so that chlorine gets the number 1 and methyl gets the number 2, and the name is 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene. But if the parent compound is toluene, means benzene bonded to a methyl group is termed as toluene. This is toluene. In that case, chlorine is treated as a substituent and numbering is done so that carbon bonded to methyl group is numbered as 1 and carbon bonded to chlorine is numbered as 2. So the name becomes 2-chlorotoluene. Next compound is benzyl chloride. Here this is sp3 hybridized carbon which is bonded to chlorine, and this sp3 hybridized carbon is bonded to benzene ring. So this is the benzyl group. C6H5CH2 group is the benzyl group, and when it is bonded to chlorine, this is known as benzyl chloride. This is the common name, and IUPAC name will be chlorophenylmethane. Means the parent compound is methane. Two hydrogens of methane are substituted by the phenyl group and chlorine atom, so it is named as chlorophenylmethane. Next is CH2Cl2. If you remove two hydrogens from methane, the group becomes methylene group. So methylene chloride. The IUPAC name is dichloromethane. Similarly, when three hydrogen atoms are substituted by chlorine, it is called, common name is chloroform, IUPAC name is trichloromethane. Three hydrogen atoms substituted by bromine, common name bromoform, IUPAC name tribromomethane. All the four hydrogens are substituted by chlorine, common name carbon tetrachloride, IUPAC name tetrachloromethane. Now the last one, the carbon-carbon chain contains 3 carbon atoms and the halogen is fluorine. So common name N-propyl fluoride, and if the numbering of the chain is done, then 1, 2, 3, it is called 1-fluoropropane. The parent chain is propane and one hydrogen of propane is substituted by fluorine, so it is known as 1-fluoropropane.